Interpreting a double bar graph. There are 4 high schools in the West School District. The double bar graph below shows how many boys and girls are at each school. Use this graph to answer the questions. Alright, so we may not have talked about double bar graphs specifically in class, but this really isn't too hard. We just have to use a little bit of our critical thinking and logic skills. So here we go. First, let's just look. We see here that the key gives us that boys are the dark gray and girls are the striped regions. Here on the y-axis, this is the number of students, and these are the different high schools: Beach High School, Lewis High School, Adams High School, and Valley High School. Okay, so here Beach has, I don't know, maybe 340 boys because it's gray and about 300 girls. Lewis has about 400 boys and about maybe 450 girls. Adams High School has about 200 boys and about 250 girls. We're just estimating here. Valley maybe has 310 boys and 340 girls. I don't know. We're just estimating because we see that this is, approximately right there. So we're just taking a guess. Okay? So it says estimate. Now again, estimate. We can't know exactly because this graph isn't quite detailed enough, but we're going to estimate the number of girls at Valley. So first, go to Valley High School, and then we know that girls is a striped region, so we're going to come up here, and it looks like it's maybe about halfway or not quite halfway, so maybe I'd estimate that that was 340 girls. Okay, if you estimate 350, anywhere around there is pretty close. Okay? Now, B, which schools have more girls than boys? So more stripes than gray. This one, boys are more. This one, girls are more. This one, girls are more. And this one, girls are more, because those are all taller. So the schools that have more girls than boys are Lewis, Adams, and Valley. And finally, letter C says estimate the total number of students at Adams. So here we're looking at Adams for part C, and I want the total students, so boys and girls. So it looks like there's about 200 boys and maybe 250 or 260 girls. So my estimation of these numbers would be 200 boys plus 250 girls, so there's approximately 450 total students. So this problem really is about estimation. Alex should take any answer that's close to these. Just do your best to read this graph across as you can.